Hey, so check this out. Anyone who's ever worked with me knows all I care about is the lowest overall cost. I don't care what the rate is. I want the absolute best deal. And the lowest rate, lowest payment usually is not that. So check out the newest rate sheet. Now, here's what does not matter. I don't care what these rate increments are. These could be 5.35 up to 8.5. Who cares? And also, I don't care about the lock. 60 days, 30 days, 15 days. None of that applies in this scenario. But what does matter is check this out. Now we've got all of these different 2.49s and we've got, 3.1s and all this BS, 2.99. So we're going to use 2.99 here. Why do they do that? Because people want an interest rate in the twos. So it makes them feel good. Now, 3% is on the board. So they could take an interest rate of 3%, but they're being sold the 2.99 because it sounds better. Well, let's find out how much that costs you just to sound better, right? So if we look at this in this scenario, whatever, low amount is 340 grand. So kind of typical around Denver, right? So at $340,000, if you want 2.99, it would cost you $1,020. If you took 3%, it would cost you $850. So it's pretty easy math. 1,020 minus the 850, the difference between this loan cost-wise is going to be $170. Now, for that, you are going to save $1. Your payment is going to be $1 cheaper, which means in order to recover that $170 that you took just to get a 2.99 interest rate, you're going to have to stay in this loan for 170 months. On the 171st month, you saved $1. Now, 15 years is 180 months. Let's divide this out. Divided by 12 months per year, it's going to take you over 14 years to save money by taking the 2.99 versus the 3%. Let's do it again. It doesn't matter. We can do it on all of these. Same thing here. Look, it's we can do it between 2.49 and 2.5%. It's going to be the same math. So don't get suckered or screwed into taking the 0.99s because it's more expensive than the even 3% deal. And you're going to see this all the time with how creative these rates were. Hey, these used to go 2.5, 2.65, 2.75, 2.875. Now we've got all these funky increments, which cost you as a borrower more money than just the straight 3% deal. So just wanted to share that with you. Got a kick out of it when I saw it. I've seen guys encourage their loan officers, hey, push the 2.99 deal while we've got it. And yeah, because it makes the banks more money. Most of the deals that are intriguing to you are misleading to you and costing you more money and making more money from the bank. Perfect example right here.